So today I was inspired by Valentine's Day and all things just girly and pink and pretty. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. Of course, I'm going to start out with Sandstone Pearl on my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with Mulberry. This is going to be my transition color. It is a beautiful, soft, kind of mauve-y pink. Okay, and I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to work that into my crease and up above to my brow bone, concentrating most of the color on the outside portion of my eye. Make sure that's nice and blended in. Then I'm going to take Shell Glitter. This is a limited edition color, and it is a really pretty, shimmery, beautiful pink. Okay, so I'm going to take that on a shader brush, and I'm just going to take this all over the lid of my eye. Oh my gosh, if this doesn't scream Valentine's Day, I don't know what does. It's so like soft and shimmery pink. Then I'm going to go in with Pink Posey, and this is a deeper pinky brown. And I'm just going to keep this concentrated on the outer area of my eye. Kind of just swiping up at like an angle. So I'm just tapping this. It's a deeper color, and with all my deep colors, remember, I kind of like stamp them into place where I want them to go, and then I blend them. And I'm just taking this up and out. And then I can go back in with that same brush I used with the Mulberry, and I'm just going to blend out these edges. Get these colors nice and blended together. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that Pink Posey that I used in the outer V, and I'm going to use a smaller smudging brush, and I'm going to get that underside area of my eye. And then blend that out. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows, and to do my brows, I'm going to use Smoked Topaz Shadowsense. Now, this is a green color, but when put on your eyebrows, it's like magic. Perfect color for dark hair. So I'm just going to put this on a little angled brush. I start most of my color in the middle part of my brow, because that's where I want the concentration of color to be, and not like right here. And I make sure to get those top lines nice and crisp. Brows are super easy, girls. They are. I know a lot of people are super scared of them, but just take a couple times to practice. And then at the very front, all I do is just kind of flick this up, like in like hair-like motions. And just lightly deposit that color. Bam! Okay, so that smoked liner is on. I'm going to take our eye pencil in black, and I'm going to use this to get the waterline on my eye. Okay, so in my inner corner, I'm gonna be using Pink Opal Shimmer. I just love this shade. It is so pink and shimmery and girly. I love it. So I'm just gonna take some on a little brush and I'm just gonna get that inner corner and like, this makes such a difference. What a huge difference. And then just underneath my brow. Okay, so I am going to be putting on lashes today since this is such a dramatic look. So I will show you how I do that quickly. But I'm going to start with our VolumeIntense mascara and just get a nice layer on my lashes. I am not a pro at putting on lashes. Legit, probably the 4th time I've done it. Still working on it. And I can't use tweezers, they annoy me, so I use my fingers. Maybe I'll find something that works for me, I don't know. These lashes that I'm putting on, they're more of a cat eye look, which means they're shorter on the inside and longer as they get on the outside. And for me, they're extremely dramatic. Okay, so tips and tricks, you wanna make sure that it gets nice and tacky, so you let it dry for like 30 seconds. So you place in the middle first. Move your way to the center and to the outside. And I'm just kind of tapping on them, kind of pressing them. Okay, I mean, look at the difference that makes. Like, lashes make a huge difference. Let's see them kind of magnified. Like, that's really dramatic. That's huge. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna take our eye pencil again, and I'm just gonna fill in this area right here. Kind of going like underneath my eyelid. Just so you can mask the fact that you have on some false lashes. And there you go. So pretty. All right, now moving on to lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Aussie Rose. This is a gorgeous pink rose shade. As always, make sure you shake up your Lipsense. Make sure you're applying to clean, dry lips. Now, I always start in the very center of my lips, and I kind of like create a little X. More like a B. And I overline slightly, not to where it looks fake, but where my natural lip line kind of goes up and over. You hear my kids play. So beautiful. And then I'm gonna top with our Sweet Pea Gloss. I mean, for real, do you see this color? How absolutely stinking gorgeous is that? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so there you have it, ladies. I love this look. I think it's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous and dramatic, and I mean, for crank and afford. Does anyone else say for crank and afford? I mean, seriously, this is so pretty, and it's flirty and it's fun, and I mean, hey, maybe for some of you it's super romantic. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on notifications so that you can be notified when I place another video. And thank you all for watching so very much. I really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.